Samsung is gearing up for a major hardware reveal this fall, with the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and Galaxy S25 FE expected to debut in September or October 2025. Leaked renders and early reports suggest both devices will focus on refined design, practical upgrades, and user-centric features, signaling Samsung's strategy of evolution over revolution. Brain Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, bigger screen, smarter design. Samsung's flagship tablet is tipped to feature a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display, ideal for media, multitasking, and creative workflows. The most noticeable change? A shift from the wide rectangular notch to a sleeker U-shaped notch offering triangular ruler, more immersive screen real estate. Movie camera, a simplified front camera setup, possibly dropping the ultrawide lens. Sparkles, cleaner aesthetics for professional use. The S Pen also sees a redesign. Leaks suggest pen, no visible rear storage slot. Battery, possible removal of Bluetooth functionality. Package, a more minimal, streamlined stylus experience. While this may limit remote features, it could appeal to users who prefer simplicity and portability. Camera with flash, Galaxy S25 FE, familiar form, modern finish. The Galaxy S25 FE sticks to its roots with a triple camera layout, wide, ultrawide, and telephoto, arranged vertically for a clean look. Key refinements include mobile phone slimmer bezels for a more premium feel. Straight ruler, slightly thicker bottom bezel for better grip and usability. Artist palette, a design language that balances minimalism with practicality. Rather than reinventing the wheel, Samsung is polishing the experience for users who value consistency and reliability. Brick design philosophy, minimal meets functional. Both devices reflect Samsung's broader design trend. Soap, clean lines and reduced visual clutter. Triangular ruler, maximized screen-to-body ratios. Compass, practical layouts that don't compromise usability. This approach aligns with consumer demand for sleek yet functional tech, especially in the premium tablet and mid-range smartphone segments. Calendar, launch timeline and market strategy. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and Galaxy S25 FE in Q3 2025, ahead of the holiday season. This timing positions both devices to capitalize on peak demand, with directed Tab S11 Ultra targeting creatives, professionals, and media lovers. Directed S25 FE appealing to budget-conscious users who want flagship-like features. Brain final take, refined, reliable, ready to impress. With thoughtful upgrades and a focus on user experience, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and Galaxy S25 FE are shaping up to be two of Samsung's most balanced releases yet. Whether you're after a powerhouse tablet or a dependable smartphone, this duo promises to deliver style, substance, and smart engineering.